everyone, welcome back to Style Treats. It's me Shreeja. I hope you all are doing well. So for today's video, I decided to do my really quick and easy everyday makeup routine. And the best part is you get done with this in under 5 minutes. So yeah, if you want to know how I get this look, then please keep on watching. So I've already washed my face and now I'm going to moisturize it with Bagwe turmeric. Yes, a Bagwe turmeric. I really love the texture of this and it does not make my skin greasy at all, and it has its own benefits as well. Then moving on to sunscreen. Sunscreen is the most essential part of this routine. So I'm going in with the BioCare sunscreen and SPF 80. I'm just applying it like I apply my moisturizer. I'm also going to apply some lip balm since I'm going in with a matte lipstick later. So if you have seen my videos earlier, you guys know that I'm not a big fan of foundations. So all I'm going to do is take some BB cream and dot it under my eyes to get rid of those nasty dark circles and blend it evenly with my fingers. Next, I just apply the Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Compact with the help of a brush. So I'm just going to buff the product onto my skin. I sometimes skip the BB cream step and I just go in with this powder. Then I like to go in with some mascara on my upper and lower lashes. For my mascara, I use the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara. I also set my brows with the same. I don't really fill my brows because I don't feel the need to do it. And this is it for my makeup. I go in with a lipstick at the end, but if I have some extra time in hand, I just apply this Miss Claire blush stick on the apples of my cheek and blend it with my fingers. Moving on to my lips, my lipstick color depends on my mood and my outfit, but I usually wear this Miss Claire lip cream in 58. So yeah, this is what my everyday makeup routine looks like. This is a very simple look and I get done with this under 5 minutes. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to follow me on my social media. I will see you all next week. Hey everyone, welcome back. This in another 5 minutes.